Well, as we get ready for another round of severe weather, last night North Texans were literally doing everything they could to keep the hail from damaging their cars. And you're going to see from this video, this did not go so well. Now, thankfully, we can kind of all collectively laugh at this because this teen was okay. But this Mesquite teen was a little too late to cover his car whenever golf ball-sized hail was falling in the area. He was attempting to put on what looks like a hot tub cover over his car before the major wind blew him to the ground, and then he started running back to the house, hopefully getting cover from all that hail. Don't walk outside in hail, guys.
And I just realized he's right next to the pool, too. Look, he's fine, but that's
Oof,
no, don't
too
do
close.
That. Okay. If you do not want to end up on the ground like that, here are some ideas we found online to make sure your car is actually safe as more severe weather heads to our area. If you, for example, are unable to park your car under cover, you can use moving blankets to place on top of your car to help cushion the hail. You can find them actually at Home Depot or Lowe's. Cardboard boxes can also be a pretty cheap way, helpful way to minimize hail damage. And we also saw a few people online that use bags of potting soil that they had simply lying around. They placed it on top of their cars. Good idea. So that hail could actually bounce off the bags instead of the front windows and back windows.
Leave it up to North Texans to find some ingenuity.